Hey guys, okay. This is 12, and 10 and 11 we're kind of building you up for this slowly, because then 12 really hits you with it, okay? So this deserves maybe a video of its own, maybe two if I can fit this all in. But basically, 5 steps to this. I'm gonna walk you through this example one that Mr. Ward has. So we got 5x squared minus 40x plus 2 equals 47. So first step you want to do is you got to isolate the x terms. You see how there's a 2 there? You're going to get rid of that, so you move the 2 over. So you get minus 2 from both sides, and it's just this, but instead of a 2 there, and instead because you minus 2 from both sides, you get 45 there. Now you got 45 there. Second step you want to do is factor the coefficient if there is. Remember, that most of these are if there is one. If there's next terms, you gotta isolate them. If there's a coefficient, this thing right here, I'll factor that out. So what you want to do is divide everything by 5. So 5x squared divided by 5 is just x squared. Negative 40x divided by 5 is 8, negative 8x. Equals, so 45 divided by 5, that is 9. So now you have that. Step 3 is add b divided by 2 squared to both sides. So here the thing is b. So b divided by 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared, 16. The special thing you gotta do here though. So what you gotta do here is for one side you should probably just put in like plus, no, that's that, plus, and then do like negative 4 squared in parentheses. No, like that. And then for the other side, you could probably just add 16, and I'll show you why. So then instead, so that would be 25. Sorry. So then next step is you gotta square both sides. So all of this side just ends up being x minus 4, and then the square of this. Oh, I need the parentheses actually. Square of this is 5, and then but it can also be negative 5. So you copy this and put it here. It can also be negative 5. So then what you gotta do, step 5, you gotta solve for the x values. So let's solve these people. So what minus 4 would equal 5? The answer to that is 9. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So you can see the red line, that's 9. And then what minus 4 would equal negative 5? And the answer to that is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5. We look at that. Negative 1, yeah. So your solutions, x equals negative 1 and x equals 9. And the lines go right through, just like that. So that's how you do those kinds of equations, like that. I believe all of these are like that. Yes. Some of them you don't need to do step 1 or 2, but you definitely need to do 3 through 5 for all of them. And there's a little bit of math magic involved in it all.